Good morning, my dear students. Today, let us solve the exercise 1.3. BP exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. This exercise based on the sum to n terms of AP. What is that sum to n terms of AP? Already you have written that theoretical part in your fair. So let us once again remind that sum to n terms of AP. See, sum to n terms of AP is calculated by using the formula Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, when the last term is given, when the last term an is given, this formula can be reduced into little bit different form, that is Sn equals to n by 2 a plus an, or Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l, where l equals to last term. L equals to last term. Then last term we denote by the symbol an. So here we have to know that what is n, what is a, what is d. That n equals to number of terms. N equals to number of terms. D equals to common difference. D equals to common difference. Then A equals to first term of the given AP. A equals to first term. That Sn indicates sum of the terms. See once again, Sn equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn equals to n by 2 a plus an. This can be altered as Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l, where l is the last term. When last term is not given, simply a sum to n terms format is given, then we have to use this formula Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Observe the formula attentively. Let us begin the exercise 1.3. Hello. See, find the sum of the following AP. Exercise 1.3. There are in first main 4 problems are given. Let us solve one by one. See the first one. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Okay, first one. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Okay. See, as usual, we have to write the given that A equals to 2, B equals to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 2, which is equals to 5. Then n is given, n equals to 10. We have to find the S10. That means we know Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values, that is S10 equals to n by 2, 10 by 2 in the big bracket, 2 into a, that is 2, plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1, that is common difference d as 5. Okay, 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 in the big bracket, 2 2s are 4, plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5, then 5 into 5 in the bracket, 4 plus 9 5s are 45. Therefore, 5 into 45 plus 9, 49. Therefore, S10 equals to 5 9s are 45, carry 5, or carry 4, 5 4s are 20 plus 5, 25.
245.
245. S10 equals to 245. Observe the solution. Apply the formula Sn equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then substitute the values obtained. Then first term as 2, common difference as 5, n is 10. So after simplification, you will get S10 equals to 245. After the completion of first one, let us move to second one. See what that second is. Minus 37, minus 33, minus up to 12 terms. Okay, second one. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. Okay, A equals to minus 37. A is how much? Minus 37. D equals to A2 minus A1. Then A2 is minus 33 minus of minus 37. Why? That minus sign is of minus 37. This is the formula sign. A2 minus A1. That is minus 33 plus 37, which is equals to 4. D equals to 4. Then n equals to how much? 12. Required value we need, yes, 12 equals to question mark. So we know what we know, that Sn equals to n by 2. Sn equals to n by 2 in the square bracket or big bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For every problem you have to apply the formula. So S12 equals to n by 2, 12 by 2 that is 2 into A. A is minus 37 plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1, that is D is 4. Okay, 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is 6 in the big bracket minus 74, then plus 11 into 4. Okay, let us continue this side. 6 in the bracket minus 74 plus 11 fours are 44. 6 into minus 30, that is equal to, yes, 12 equals to minus 180. Yes, 12 equals to minus 180. See, A is given, then D calculated, then we need S 12th term. Substituting these values in the given formula, Sn equals to n by 2. Then after simplification, we get the 12th, sum of the 12th term is minus 180. Yes, 12 equals to minus 180. Let us move to, that is third one, 0.6. Third, 0.6, then 1.7, then 2.8, 200 terms. 200 terms. Okay. A equals to 0.6. Then D equals to A2 minus A1. That is 1.7 minus 0.6. That is equals to 1.1. Then N equals to 100. We need S 100 equals to question mark. Now by using Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S 100 equals to 100 by 2 in the big bracket or square bracket, 2 into a 0.6 plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1 into d, that is 1.1, bracket close. 2 ones are 2 50s are, so 50 in the big bracket 1.2, 2 into 0.6 plus 99 into 1.1. Okay, 50 equal in the big bracket 1.2 plus, that is 11 nines are 99, that is 108.9. 50 to 108.9. Okay, now S 100 equals to S 100 equals to 50 into 108 plus 108.9 plus 1.2.
110.8.
That is 110.1. That is equals to S 100 equals to 550.5. See, so simplify carefully when decimals are given. So this is the method of solving this type of problems. Okay, fourth one is in fractional form. First you observe this one. Hello, see here we have multiplied by 50. So 555.0. Not from 5, from 50 we have multiplied. So yes, 100 would be 5505. This is the last answer. See the next one. 1.3. Exercise 1.3, first main, fourth one. Okay. One by 15, 1 by 12. 1 by 10, 2, 11 terms, 8, 1 by 15, B, A2 minus A1, next 1 by 12, minus 1 by 15. LCM 60. 12 5s are 15 4s are 5 minus 4, that is equals to 1 by 60. D equals to 1 by 60. Now by applying Snth equals to n by 2 in the big bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to n by 2. N, we have to find 11 terms. Into 2a, 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into d, 1 by 60, 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. So 11 by 2, 2 by 15, 10 ones are 10 6 are plus 1 by 6. Then that is equals to 11 by 2 in the big bracket, LCM 30, 15 2s are 6 5s are. Therefore, yes, 11 equals to 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. So that is equals to yes, 11 equals to 99 divided by 60. 99 divided by 60. Okay, see the solution. And we have to apply for the fractions the LCM method for simplification. Then only we will get the proper answer. So we can simplify this one. 333s are 320s are. It's 33 by 20. But keep as it is. Okay. See, the next main is second main. Okay, in second mains we have little bit different APs. We have to find again the sums of the given terms. See, here exercise 1.3 second main. Find the sums given below. See, I have written two sums on the board. Just you observe what is the difference between the previous question, this question. See, in the previous question, last term has not been given in this format, plus 84. Simply, they have given up to 10 terms, up to 8 terms like that. But here, the last term that AN is given, AN equals to 84. Now we have to find the number of terms as well as sum to n terms. So I will give the solution of this problem. First one, 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus continuation plus of 84. See the method carefully. See, first term A equals to 7. Then D equals to A2 minus A1. That is 10 integer 1 by 2 minus 7, which is equals to 21 by 2 minus 7. That is equals to 2 LCM 2 1s are 1 2s are 21 minus 14, 7 2s are. So 21 minus 14, 7, that is 7 by 2 is the common difference. Then AN is given. AN equals to 84. We have to find N and also SN because they asked find the sums to given problems. So N, SN. By using the AN, we have to find N. Then after getting N, we have to find SN. Okay. Now that AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN how much? 84 equals to A 7 plus N minus 1. We do not know the N. So N minus 1. D how much? 7 by 2. Okay. 84 minus 7 equals to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7. Then 84 minus 7 is how much? 77. 77 equals to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Okay, see, 77 into 7 by 2, if transfer 2 by 7 equals to N minus 1. 7 1s are 7, 11. 11 2s are 22 equals to N minus 1. 22 plus 1 equals to N. Therefore, N equals to 23. N equals to 23. Then after getting N equals to 23, we have to find Sn, that is S23 equals to n by 2 when the last term is given a plus l, that is S23 equals to n by 2, 23 by 2 into a 7 plus l last term, that is 84, that is equals to 23 by 2 91, which is equals to 23 into 91. You have to multiply 2093
divided by
this is the S23. Today this much is sufficient. I will give the homework and practice whatever I have taught today. Then homework given you should have to solve.